How to switch back to personal account on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you how to switch back to a personal account on TikTok. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok mobile application, as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, as you can see here. From there, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your TikTok account. On this page, there are sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu option. As you can see here, a new section pops up from the bottom of the screen. The section has several options, as you can see here. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok. On this page, there are options and different sections, as you can see. From them, come to the top section and tap this option named Account. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. You will land on this page where you will see various options that you can use to make changes to your TikTok account. Make sure you tap on this option here named Switch to Personal Account. After that, a section will pop up. TikTok is telling you if you switch to a personal account, you won't be able to access Analytics, TikTok Creator Marketplace, or TikTok Studio. You also won't receive updates about our latest creator account tools or new brand invitations. You can switch back to a creator account anytime. So, if you are sure about changing your account to a personal account, finally, go ahead and tap here. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.